Akbarawa a little bit, and normally I don't like to go through his posts or react from his posts, but we have to do this because I saw this post that he made. He said because he's here advertising the Twitter handle of Ogenker. That people should go and vote and all that. But let me start from where I felt the part that caught my attention is this place. He said, follow the acting prime minister of minister of prime minister. This guy. He attached someone back to the nonsense. He said, democratically and constitutionally elected by 57 votes of the Biafran government cabinet delegates in accordance with the Biafran charter as a living document of the law of the Biafran government. Somebody may think that he's talking to PM. No, he's addressing. He's trying to hype Ogenkere for you. He is not here for the name of for the names, rather for the official duties PM had given him behind the scene long before now, since 2022, which many of you don't know about. This guy can lie, and there's a reason why I want to, because I was planning on how to say something about him, and I saw this post, so let me just merge them together. This guy can lie, and he's an instigator. So now, but when you look at him, when he's talking, you think that he's a gentleman. He's not. I begin to feel that he is the one that actually dragged this all this nonsense that is going on now. Because when you listen to the video or audio or meeting, that not even audio meeting, it's a video, meeting that PM had with the cabinet where they were arguing about each other, trying to drag CS. And if you listen to that conversation and that problem they had, he is the one that made a post that PM was talking about, meaning that he always loved to create problem among everybody. I'm not here to talk about the tribal issue, because most of you that are from Riverine will say, oh, you're attacking him because it's not an Igbo. No, it's not. It has nothing to do with Igbo or non-Igbo, please. He said again here, accord him all the corporations needed. Our most priority stated in the CRC memo is to see that the Biafran defense forces are not fragmented. Now, the only thing you need to understand here is because you keep on numbering number 1, number 2, number 3. This guy loves to dictate and trying to act as if he's genuine, but he's not. So I want you to help me watch this video. Watch this video very, very closely. You will see something here. The one thing I want to notice here is the joy after Biafran was redeclared. This is the prime minister they're talking about, this Ogenkere here, okay? And you can see all of them unanimously celebrating that Biafran had been declared, hugging each other, celebrating, dancing. One thing you need to notice, we need to know here is that the guy, Sonak Barawa, is not here. He's not here. Chiamaka Jere is here. Look at him. He's the one. Look at it with cap here. And Ogenkere, all of them, COS is here. You can see COS here. You can see Adado Rama. All of them, they were all on the stage. Look at the one that's the chief instigator in the CRC is here with Uche, which is the European, the guy that read the grievances of Biafrans, which they later claimed that he is the one that declared Biafra. Everybody were here. Look at the guy, Ogenkere. Look at Chiamaka here, holding this picture frame. I don't know who is in the picture. All of them, they were waving flag, celebrating, rejoicing. Sonia Akbarawa is not here. So, as an instigator, he could be the one that after these conventions initiated one poison that destroyed the minds, and everybody started remembering the flop of each other. Look at Chiamaka here. Look at Chiamaka here. I'm going to allow this audio to play so that you can hear the noise, the sound, the jubilation. So everybody was happy. After, look at them. They were all standing tall. The whole world was thinking that we are here. We have achieved another mighty work and all that. But look at what happened after that. And guess who started dragging everybody on social media? Sonny Akbarawa. Now listen. So when you look at the whole thing here, what was going on here, does Ogenkere look like somebody who is not happy because Biafra was declared on 29th? Does Chiamaka Ajere look like somebody who will later criticize this date? Like as they're celebrating, a few days later, look at the person bowing here, the saluting. COS, this is security, right? Biafran bowing to who? You understand? So some of you may say, no, it's not. It's another person. He said to do that, but COS is in front. His front. I'm just saying, okay. But the issue here, what I want to understand here is that these people, they were all happy that Biafra has been declared without checking on what they're not worried about the date and like what they started painting on social media, trying to lure you to unimaginary problem that somebody who was not here decided to initiate. Okay, because I like I said, I'm commenting from an outside. I'm not an insider, so I cannot tell you, but this is what I can see from the video and what happened after this declaration. The guy that read the grievances, I think this is the lady called Professor something. I don't know her name. All of them that decided to find. Look at Ogen. Here. Look at Chamaka. They were singing, rejoicing that Biafra has been declared. Then all of a sudden, they started remember. Okay, today's date is what 29. No, I'm not the one that celebrating. No, I'm angry now. Do you understand it? Then compare it with what happened during the PM meeting with cabinet member and who was the person that posted something that triggered problems and that piloted that nonsense argument that PM later settled and calmed everybody down. Who was the one? The person was not here during this jubilation and happiness going on, among Biafrans. Then after that, who jumped on social media started talking about charter? Not even charter, because the person that brought the charter issue was Biafra Unite. Or you drop all his own poison and run away. Then the person who choose to pretend that he's this is that and poison the minds of all the people here is who? Your guess is as good as mine. But let it be a story for another day. Thank you so much, my people, and God bless you. Tell me what you think. Do you feel what I'm feeling? God bless you.